Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up shipping options for Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you're on your site, go to the menu on the left, make sure you're on the main menu, and then click on the cog to go into the settings. Here, you're going to go into selling and scroll down until you see the shipping tab. This is where we're going to go. So again, you need to go into selling and then click on shipping, and then it'll be brought here. As you can see, I already have some shipping options, which I will delete. They're set up for the rest of the world. I'll show you both. One is based on weight, one is just a flat rate. So what you want to do is click on add shipping options, select the type you want. I'll set up a flat rate, name it whatever you want. I'll select test 1, add the pre-order fee for 5 crowns and the per item fee to 10 crowns. And then you can select the region you want to ship to. I'll just select the rest of the world. Click save, and now we have one of our shipping options. That is how easy it is to set up your shipping option for a flat rate. For the weight-based, you just select weight-based, and then you enter a name. I'll name it test 2. I'll add the items up to 1 pound, or for example, for 5 crowns. I'll add for up to 5 pounds or 10 crowns, and for 10 pounds, I'm going to add 20 crowns, and then everything over 10 pounds is going to be the cost which you set up. I'll set 25, and now everything over your maximum set amount, which in my case is 10 pounds, is going to be the cost that you set up. In my case, 25 Norwegian crowns. Again, I'll select the rest of the world, click save, and that's pretty much as easy as it gets. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.